These are not just any fidget spinners. Oh no, these are Spinaroo fidget spinners. They're smart, they're well balanced, and they are fast. These fidget spinners use heat and chemical-resistant R188 hybrid ceramic bearing that can go from 0 to with a flick. A sleek aluminium body designed with multiple grip and touch points for fidgeting. Available in 3 stunning colors: silver, black, and blue. It's a spinner with programmable LEDs and a built-in speaker to play your favorite tunes. Customize your text, messages, and patterns as you spin. The possibilities are endless. Record a voicegram and compose a special message and lights to go with it for that special someone. Display the time, speed, or RPM from an intuitive, easy-to-use companion mobile app that's available for both iOS and Android. Did you ever wonder how fast you were spinning or how many revolutions you've been accruing? Well, now you know. Spinaroo has a built-in USB rechargeable battery that lights up the show and plays your favorite tunes for well over 2 hours. Everyday carry means everyday fun. Spinaroo with 12 programmable LEDs, built-in accelerometer, Bluetooth connectivity, speaker, hybrid ceramic bearing, companion mobile app, and aluminium fidget-friendly body. And with your help, we will bring Spinaroo to market and have it in your hands well before Christmas. So take advantage of the deep discounts and the flat shipping fees during this campaign and make a pledge with just a few clicks and share with all of your friends. Thank you.